robot is connected over Wi-Fi.
Engineering is a field that spans a variety of industries.
We found a company that we work with.
From computing to automotive technology to aeronautics and beyond.
And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery.
Each summer, a program hosted at Virginia State University helps middle school and high school students learn how to take their places in this growing field.
What high school are you going to?
The Richmond Area Program for Minorities in Engineering, or Rapme, was established in 1978 with a goal to increase diversity in the field of engineering.
Our goals are to just expose students to the fields of science, technology, engineering, and math in the Richmond area and surrounding areas.
What are some of the chemicals you have in your house?
If you look at the statistics, they are very low in regards to minorities and females participating in STEM occupations.
Okay, any questions about that?
It might not sound like an exciting way to pass the summer, studying topics that are collectively referred to as STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, but the coursework goes way beyond the classroom.
Rapme is about process, it's about showing kids how and why, and connecting them to the ideas behind where products come from. Like, you say, for example, what's a smartphone? How does that compare to a regular phone?
It's just gonna pop up?
Yeah. So just getting them excited about it, because kids want that wow factor, and Rapme provides that wow factor.
The wow factor comes in lots of hands-on opportunities to find the fun in engineering. While learning about kinetic and potential energy, students get to demonstrate those concepts by designing miniature roller coasters. It starts with a lesson on innovation and the importance of a vivid imagination.
They're able to see that, a coaster could just be, a hill, an incline, and then a loop, and then it's over. But let's innovate. Let's create something different that no one's seen before.
The coaster is actually made just with paper and tape. And so we'd actually have to fold all the pieces together.
This piece is attached like that.
Then we would test them out with marbles.
Lessons in solar energy and other renewable resources culminate in a trip outside to race cars that are powered by solar panels.
You got a chance to interact with other people and see how your car worked after all the work that you did to it. Because at first we started out with one solar panel, and then it went kind of fast. And then once you added the second one, you could see how much faster it went eventually.
We have extraordinary success. Over 95% of our students just like you, matriculate through the program, go on to attend college.
Students also get to meet people who have made careers out of the same concepts they are learning.
In any summer, we'll have over 40 companies come in and work hands-on with the students, with the middle and high school students, leaning over their shoulder, sharing information in regards to what they have done in their own engineering profession, but also just helping them with their projects. This is a very hands-on program, very hands-on curriculum.
One of the things that Mazda has done in the last couple of years is roll out a new technology they call Sky Active.
Rob Sheets works with Mazda, a company well known to the students, and says that participating in Rapme is as good for his industry as it is for the students themselves.
At Mazda, we believe it's very important to reach out to the young people, to build talent, to identify young people. We're always on the lookout for talented engineering students. We always need more engineers in our programs to help with our programs and help develop us as a car company. We feel we're on the cutting edge of innovation at Mazda, and to maintain that cutting edge, we need talented young engineering students like those coming out of Virginia State University to continue to help us grow and prosper as a company.
The mentors offer lessons on the nuts and bolts of engineering.
Okay, what's been the biggest challenge so far? It's completely thrown away the old issue, so that's a neat idea.
But also about the steps involved in building a career in this dynamic field.
Having a mentor come through, it really helps. It really helps me because I may not understand things from what my teachers have taught me during school, and having somebody with that one-on-one relationship personally talk to you about their experience helps you figure out those problems.
Often the role of the mentor is to offer a hands-on experience, one that lets the students imagine making a career out of something they're experiencing for the first time.
So today we brought the robots out to the kids to see them. We're speaking to them about the robots, how we build them, what they do. We're having the kids drive the robots, touch the robots, ask questions.
In the competition, we're required to have bumpers like this.
We're trying to get them to see that this is something that they can do.
We have to know about the velocity, the acceleration.
Instructors in the program enjoy seeing the students gain confidence and make plans for a career that they may not have considered before.
It's satisfying to me because I used to be one of them, and I didn't have a program like that growing up, and I think it's very rewarding for them to know that they can come to a program like Rapme. Building a roller coaster out of nothing to ensure that they are the best engineers that they want to be. Help them to stay focused on being grounded in the science field and the technology field, and growing and using this as a stepping stone for them to become great engineers.
The instructions are going to be placed up here.
It allows the kids to actually see some of the things that they're doing, and some actually work with some of the students that are our student mentors, and it motivates them to work in that field and also know about the college life as well.
You guys add beams to it? Yeah, you got a beam right there.
And all these lessons, both in engineering and career planning, certainly seem to have stuck with students who complete the program.
Over 4,300 students have matriculated through the program, 95% of whom have gone on to attend college, and over half of those students pursue a STEM degree when in school.
This experience is influencing me to go into the field of engineering because there aren't a lot of women or minorities in that field, and it's showing us that we can, that even though there aren't that many people like us in the field already, we can still pursue it. That doesn't mean that we can't.
All of your predecessors, all those students like you have come through the program, matriculated through Rapme, have gone on to do really exciting, rewarding things.
For VSU Today, I'm Jesse Vaughan.